Hello guys, just got this classic, retro classic CBR600 F3. This is a 1996 made or model, which is written here. So it is a 4-cylinder, I think it is inline 4. It is really a classic. There are a couple of things which I would like to, fix and modify. So what I like about this bike is the sound. I mean, who doesn't, right? Let's give it a try. So it has a original what do you call that, exhaust pipe. Mostly everything, mostly the stuff are original. So that Acapulco is just a sticker which the previous owner put on. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll update more soon.